All right, so today we're diving into one of the most established names on the supplement shelf, Optimum Nutrition's Opti-Men Multivitamin.
Mm,
And the question you asked is a classic one, right?
mm,
Is this powerhouse brand actually legit, or is it
yeah.
just, you know, really good marketing?
Exactly. And our goal here is to just cut through all that noise and figure out what the sources say about its actual efficacy and the real consumer experience.
So on the question of just pure legitimacy, where do we start?
Well, what's immediately clear is that this isn't some fly-by-night operation. Not at all.
Right.
Optimum Nutrition has been a cornerstone in the fitness world for years, and the parent company is Glanbia, which is this massive global nutrition group that's been around for decades.
That corporate weight alone is a pretty big first trust signal,
It is. And then you see it everywhere. I mean, Amazon, Walmart, all the major retailers.
which proves it has legitimate distribution. It tells you the product is vetted, it's compliant.
It also tells you they have a very real problem with counterfeits, which, in a weird way, speaks to their success.
Huh, that's a good point.
Yeah, the sources highlight that Onan actually has a dedicated page on their site just to help customers authenticate their products. They're proactive about it.
So we can basically establish the brand itself is 100% legitimate. Step one, check.
Step one, check.
Okay, so let's get into where the conversation gets really interesting. Efficacy. Because the brand signal is rock solid, but the feedback on the actual results, it's a bit more mixed.
Precisely. If you look at, say, major retail sites, the product has thousands of high ratings. You've got users claiming real benefits like more energy or better immune support.
But that's not the whole story, is it?
Not at all. You connect that to the broader fitness community consensus on forums like Reddit, and the view is way more sober.
So wait, how do the sources explain that disconnect?
Yeah.
We have thousands of people saying they feel a noticeable difference, but the experts are saying the benefits are, what, mild?
And that they often only really help if you have a pre-existing deficiency. What's fascinating is that the sources suggest Optimen is, maybe above all, a compliance and trust product.
What do you mean by that?
The benefits are often subtle. You're correcting a vitamin D or a zinc gap you didn't even know you had. The energy boost people feel, a lot of that is probably psychological.
So you feel proactive, you feel protected.
Exactly. You feel less concerned about missing out on key nutrients. And that's where a lot of that positive feeling comes from. It works best as nutritional insurance, not a performance drug.
So the key takeaway is that the product is doing exactly what a mainstream multivitamin is supposed to do. It's fine general support, but it's not going to be transformative unless your diet is genuinely lacking something.
Right, that holistic view is essential. It has to be paired with good eating and good habits. But we have to zoom in on the user experience beyond just the pill.
Okay.
The sources highlighted a specific friction point: customer service.
Oh, interesting.
While buying it from Amazon or Walmart seems totally seamless, the Trustpilot reviews for Optimum Nutrition as a company are, well, they're pretty mixed.
So what are people saying?
Some customers reported really frustrating issues, delayed orders, low responsiveness from customer support, but specifically when ordering straight from the company's website.
That's a crucial caveat. So you can trust what's in the bottle, but maybe not the direct purchasing pipeline.
That seems to be the message. When you connect it all, Optimin is successful not because it's some miracle pill, but because it provides reliable, legitimate nutritional scaffolding from a giant corporation you trust.
So let's wrap this up. What does this all mean for you?
Its performance is entirely aligned with what we'd expect from general nutritional support.
Exactly. So if the primary benefit of this super popular daily pill is just filling critical gaps in the diet, we'll leave you with this final thought. Is the multivitamin truly your nutritional strategy? Or is it just a reminder that you might need to fundamentally rethink what you're putting on your plate every day?